everyone, when we say all time same sentences like I did many jobs at different places, I think so it's boring now. Please make yourself more modern and professional. Like you can say I have done many jobs at different places, or I have worked in various roles at multiple places. You can say in a more conversational tone, I've had a bunch of different jobs in different locations. Or you can say I have had a bunch of different jobs in various locations. So I have done many jobs at different places as a more suitable for highlighting your experience and background.